Picture this. By 2030, AI could potentially replace 300 million jobs worldwide. Welcome to Explain Me This. Brace yourself as we embark on a journey into the future, a future sculpted by the hands of artificial intelligence. According to a report by Oxford University, we are on the precipice of a monumental shift in the global job market. Industries like manufacturing and customer service are poised to see significant changes as AI tools like ChatGPT and Google's new software lead the charge. But it's not all doom and gloom. The AI revolution also promises a dawn of enhanced productivity and improved healthcare. Before we dive into the specifics, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. And do it now, because if you don't, an AI might just beat you to it. First on the chopping block, customer service representatives. Now, we're not saying that tomorrow you'll be chatting with a robot when you dial customer service, but the future is certainly moving in that direction. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming more sophisticated day by day. AI chatbots are now able to understand and respond to our queries with an almost human-like precision. So what does this mean for our friendly customer service reps? Well, it's not all doom and gloom. While AI might reduce the need for human intervention in handling straightforward queries, there will always be a need for that human touch, especially for complex issues. But yes, the landscape of customer service is rapidly evolving, and adaptability is the name of the game. So next time you're on hold, remember, you might soon be talking to a machine. Who needs a receptionist when you have an AI? Now that's a question we wouldn't have thought to ask a few years ago. But here we are in the middle of a technological revolution where artificial intelligence is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Let's talk about receptionists, the friendly faces greeting us at offices, hospitals, and other establishments. Now imagine a world where AI takes over these roles. It's not as far-fetched as you might think. Artificial intelligence has the capability to handle basic administrative tasks, such as scheduling appointments, managing calls, and even answering basic queries. All this without the need for breaks, holidays, or even the occasional sick leave. But it's not all doom and gloom. With every technological advancement comes an opportunity for growth and learning. As AI potentially replaces traditional roles, it also opens up a world of possibilities for those willing to adapt and learn. So receptionists, it might be time to brush up on those coding skills. Accountants, you might want to sit down for this one. The world of numbers and ledgers is about to hit a major shift. The advent of artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize the way we manage and analyze financial data. And guess who's on the front line of this transformation? That's right, accountants and bookkeepers. AI has the potential to handle data analysis faster, more accurately, and with less margin for error than any human could. It's like having a supercomputer crunching numbers round the clock without a coffee break. This means that tasks like auditing, tax preparation, and payroll processing, traditionally handled by accountants and bookkeepers, could soon be automated. But don't despair just yet. While AI can do a lot, it can't replicate the human touch, the personal rapport with clients, the ability to offer tailored financial advice, and the knack for spotting an irregularity that doesn't quite add up. These are facets that AI can't replicate. So while AI is set to change the game, it's not game over for accountants and bookkeepers. Adaptation is key. Embrace the change, learn the new tools of the trade, and you might just find yourself in a stronger position than before. Looks like those tax returns might just do themselves. At salespeople, your charm might not save you from this one. The traditional art of sales has always been about understanding your customer, figuring out their needs and wants, and presenting your product in a way that appeals to them. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence could do all of that, and perhaps even more efficiently? AI is rapidly learning how to analyze consumer behavior and preferences, diving into pools of data, and emerging with a deep understanding of what makes a customer tick. It's like having the best salesperson on your team, one who knows exactly what to say and when to say it. And not just that, AI can also create personalized shopping experiences that are tailored to each individual customer. So instead of a one-size-fits-all sales pitch, AI can craft a bespoke pitch for each person, enhancing the likelihood of a sale. Now, this doesn't mean that all salespeople will be out of jobs overnight. What it does mean, however, is that salespeople will need to adapt, to evolve, to learn new skills, and to find ways to work with AI, not against it. Because in the end, AI might just be the best salesperson you've ever met. Researchers, your days of data crunching might be numbered. As we peer into the future, we see artificial intelligence, not just at the forefront of innovation, but potentially taking over jobs in research and analysis. Now, before you start imagining an army of robots typing away at your desk, let's clear things up. AI, in this context, refers to software, specifically designed to analyze large volumes of data and make predictions far more efficiently than any human could. Think about it. AI doesn't need coffee breaks, it doesn't have bad days, and it certainly never sleeps. It can tirelessly analyze millions of data points, identify patterns, and make accurate predictions, all in a fraction of the time it would take a human. From market trends to climate change predictions, AI's capacity to handle and interpret vast amounts of data is truly transformative. So, for those in research and analysis, the future might be about working with AI, leveraging its capabilities to drive insights and breakthroughs. Research papers might just write themselves. Warehouse workers, the robots are coming. Imagine a world where manual labor is no longer a human's job but a task for AI-driven robots. In the warehouse industry, this isn't just a far-off dream, it's rapidly becoming reality. These robots are not just efficient, they're also safer, reducing the risk of workplace accidents and injuries. They can lift heavy loads, sort items, and even pack parcels with precision, all without breaking a sweat or needing a lunch break. The advantages are clear and businesses are catching on. With the potential to save both time and money, the adoption of AI in warehouses is expected to skyrocket in the coming years. But what does this mean for the human workforce? It's a complex issue. While some jobs may be lost, others will be created. The rise of AI demands a new set of skills, opening doors for jobs that we can't even imagine yet. So, warehouse workers, it's time to adapt and evolve. The robots may be coming, but they also bring opportunities. Next time you order online, a robot might be packing your parcel. Insurance underwriters, your risk assessments might be done by an AI. Now, imagine a world where artificial intelligence takes over the role of calculating how much you pay for your insurance. That's right, AI is poised to revolutionize insurance underwriting. These sophisticated machines can analyze a vast array of risk factors more efficiently and accurately than we humans ever could. From crunching numbers to factoring in intricate details, AI can calculate insurance premiums with a level of precision that's simply mind-boggling. What does this mean for insurance underwriters? Well, their roles might be significantly transformed or even replaced by these AI systems. But it's not all doom and gloom. This shift could lead to more accurate risk assessments, better pricing, and ultimately, fairer insurance policies for everyone. So the next time you're scratching your head over your insurance premium, remember, your next insurance policy might be calculated by a machine. Retail workers, the self-checkout machines are just the beginning. Yes, you've seen those self-checkout counters and automated inventory management systems popping up in stores. But that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to artificial intelligence in retail. AI's capabilities are expanding rapidly, and it's set to revolutionize the retail industry from top to bottom. Imagine walking into a store where AI manages the entire inventory. It knows exactly what's in stock, where it's located, and when it needs to be restocked. No more hunting for employees to check in the back for that last pair of shoes in your size. And what about transactions? With AI, checking out could become as simple as walking out the door. The technology is already in development to automatically charge customers for their purchases as they leave the store. No checkout required. But perhaps most striking is the potential for AI to provide customer service. With advances in natural language processing, AI chatbots could handle customer inquiries, provide product recommendations, and even handle complaints, all without human intervention. So what does this mean for the future of retail jobs? Well, it's clear that workers will need to adapt and acquire new skills to thrive in this rapidly changing landscape. Your next shopping trip might be entirely automated. But remember, while it's easy to focus on the jobs that might be replaced, it's equally important to remember the new jobs that will be created. As AI continues to evolve, it will also create a need for new roles, new skills, and new expertise. It's all about adapting and acquiring the relevant skills to thrive in the evolving job market. AI isn't the enemy, it's a tool. And like any tool, it's all about how we use it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.